So I've gone ahead to join the shoulders together. In the last video, the other video I posted about the way I went about cutting the kimono jacket with drawstring, I've gone ahead to turn the neckline, put the facing on the front side, and then turn it. So this is me cutting out the rope to form the drawstring, and I did cut out 2 inches, but then I'm folding it again because I only need 1 inch. From down 1 inch, I'm going to be making the rope because the rope has to be tying in order to go in between the sewing allowances. And yeah, for it to be to make it easy to pull, by the time you tie it and you want to pull it to form that style, you need it to be tiny, not too big, not too wide. So that's me cutting it out. Basically, I cut out just 1 inch, and yeah, I will then go ahead to show you. All you just need to bend it both sides. First bend it a little bit on 0.25, then fold it on top of each other like you see me do here. That way, you want to do it that way and bend it on top of each other to give it that nice finishing look. Then you go ahead and sew it on your sewing machine. And this is me before joining the side. One thing I would just want to point out is you need to first finish up your hemming, the hem of the jacket. I mean the length at the hem, the bottom bit. And for me, I decided not to sew on top of it or stitch on top. All I did was to use my hemming gum. But before then, I went ahead and determined how many inches I want to bend in, iron it, then place my hemming gum to hold it down. This will help to make your work look so neat. I love doing this, yeah. So there won't be any stitching or any sewing showing on it. So you want to do that for both front and the back. The reason is this has to be done first before you join the sides together, in order to be able to for the rope to be able to come out from the side at the bottom bit. You need to first, if you're sewing on or stitching on, you need to first do the hem inside, or is it the hem? Yeah, the bottom bit. You need to fold it first. If you want to sew it, go ahead and do that. If you want to use the hemming gum. So this is me trying to do that before I'll then go ahead and join the sides together. Like I said before, I've already turned the neckline, I've joined the shoulder. It's so simple. And also on the sleeve side also, I did the same thing using the hemming gum to finish up the sleeve because I don't want the stitch to show on that part too. So next thing I'll do now is to join the sides together. Can you see it there? I'm just going to go ahead. Before then, this is me trying to show you what I've done so far. I think I thought I actually recorded the part I was joining it, but the joining is not that hard. Just firstly turn the facing on the front and turn your neckline at the back, then join it straight forward. It's so easy. So this is me trying it on. So what I've done, like I said, is to just, you can see the sleeve part. You can't see any stitching showing there. So I'll go ahead now and join the sides together, then show you how to attach the drawstring, the rope to form the drawstring. Yeah. All right, this is me. I've joined the sides together. As you can see, you need to hem it if you want to, because we'll be passing the rope. All I did was mark where I want the rope to start from, then use my pin to secure that part, the rope on that particular part. Then all I would do then is stitch it upon across like that, then go ahead and stitch the sewing allowances down, but making sure the rope is not in the way. You pull the rope in like you see me do. Like I said again, you need to stitch across where you put this rope before you now start to sew on this part. You want to sew on your sewing allowances, just a tiny bit there, but make sure you're not sewing on the rope. If you sew on the rope, you won't be able to pull it, and that's just the way to do it, guys. It's so simple. The result looks so beautiful. Try it out and let me know in the comment section what you think, and if there's any video you want us to illustrate, do let me know. Thank you. Bye.